Today we're going to be reviewing concepts that you've learned the last 2 weeks. We're going to start with standard form and expanded form. Standard form is just the number. So I need to look at my basic 10 blocks to figure out what my number is. I have 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115. So the standard form of this number is 115. Now expanded form is blank plus blank plus blank equals blank. So that's your hundreds plus your tens plus your ones. So I have 100. A value of that 100 is 100. I have 110, which is 10, and then 5 ones. So 100 plus 10 plus 5 equals 115, which is your standard form. Next, I'm going to compose and decompose a number. The number I'm going to be composing is 117. I'm going to use my base 10 blocks to compose that number. I have 100. There's 110. And 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 100, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117. Now when I decompose this number, I'm going to break this number apart and then show it in a different way. So to do that, I'm going to mark out this 110. So then I still have 100. This 110 is now going to become 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But I also have to add my 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117. Next, I'm going to do 10 more, 10 less, 1 more, and 1 less than the number 109. So let's start by finding the number 109 on the hundreds chart. Here's that number. I know the number that is directly above is the number 10 less than 109. That number is 99. I know the number below is 10 more, and that number is 119. The number to the right of 109 is 110, so that number is 1 more. And then the number to the left is the number 1 less, which is 108. Now I'm going to work on comparing two numbers using comparative language and symbols. So I have less than, greater than, and equal to. My numbers are 103 and 115. So when I look at these numbers, 103 has a 1 in the hundreds place. 115 also has a 1 in the hundreds place. 103 has a 0 in the tens place. 115 has a 1 in a tens place. So that tells me that 103 is less than 115 because 115 has 1 10 and 103 has 0 tens. So 103 is less than 115. Next, we're going to work on ordering numbers with an open number line. We're going to order these numbers from least to greatest. My numbers are 101, 120, and 99. I know that 99 is my least number because it has no number in the hundreds place. So 99 will go first. So now I'm left with 101 and 120. So they both have a 1 in the hundreds place. 101 has a 0 in the tens place. 120 has a 2. So that tells me that 101 is less than 120, so it must come next. I'll mark out that number, and then I'm left with 120. So I just ordered my numbers from least to greatest. Next, we're going to order numbers on the place value chart, and we're going to order these numbers from greatest to least. That means my biggest number has to go first. So I have the numbers 118, 105, and 110. So when I look at these, they all have a 1 in the hundreds place. So then I move to the tens place. 118 has a 1 in the tens place, 105 has a 0, and 110 has a 1. That's going to tell me that 105 is less than both of these numbers. So to figure out which one's the greatest, I need to look at the ones place. So 118 has an 8 in the ones place, and 110 has a 0 in the ones place. So that means that 118 is my biggest number. So I left 105 and 110. 105 has no tens, but 110 has 110. So 110 comes next, which means 105 is my least number. I just ordered these numbers from greatest to least.